Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make crystal rock candy at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: granulated sugar, water, and a clean glass jar. You'll also need a food-safe string or stick for the crystals to grow on. The key is to create a supersaturated sugar solution, which we'll discuss next, to ensure beautiful crystal formation. This simple process is fun and rewarding. Now, let's prepare the sugar solution. Gently heat 1 cup of water in a saucepan, then gradually add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Stir constantly over medium heat until all the sugar completely dissolves. It's crucial that no sugar crystals remain undissolved at the bottom. Once clear, remove from heat and let the solution cool for about 15 minutes before the next step. With your solution ready, it's time to set up for crystal growth. First, dip your string or stick into the warm sugar solution, then roll it in granulated sugar to create seed crystals. Carefully suspend the sugared string or stick into your jar, ensuring it doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Loosely cover the jar and place it in a quiet, undisturbed location for several days. Over the next 1 to 2 weeks, you'll observe beautiful sugar crystals forming and growing on your string or stick. Once they reach your desired size, carefully remove your rock candy from the solution and let it dry completely on parchment paper. Enjoy your homemade treat. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Happy candy making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.